Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another marketing tutorial. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to create videos for LinkedIn ads and I thought it's high time I got started with that. So as you can see, I'm logged into my LinkedIn account and today I'm going to show you how to get started with your LinkedIn Ads Manager and create your first ad. If you're familiar with other ad platforms like Facebook, AdWords, this will be a piece of cake for you, trust me. But even if you're not, I'll go step by step and you'll see how to do everything you need. Alright then, so once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, you will see a work option here. Just click on that and right down here you'll see advertise. Let's click here. And once you're in the LinkedIn Campaign Manager, you got to create a new account. We'll call it Viren's ad account. You can select the currency. I'm going to select Indian rupee. And you can associate this account with a company page if you want to, but this is optional, so I'm just going to click save. So like you can see, a new account has been created. It's called Viren's ad account. The selected company, this company does not exist. LinkedIn has just put in a name here called Viren Bear. That's my name. Let's go into the ad account. And here LinkedIn has already added something called a default campaign group. I'm going to create my own campaign. Let's click create campaign group. I'm going to call it LinkedIn tutorial. You can add a budget to it, which is again optional. The start date and the end date, let's start it tomorrow, run indefinitely. The campaign status can be active, and let's save it. So I've created another campaign just similar to what LinkedIn had already created for me. Now you can go inside this campaign group and here you can actually create a campaign. Let's start by creating a campaign. So these are the different kind of products that you can promote via LinkedIn. The first one is sponsored content. Here basically, if you've written a blog, for me these are videos probably that I can promote here on LinkedIn. The second is called dynamic ads, and these go here on the right hand sides. These ads are sort of personalized to the person who is seeing the ad. There are text ads here as well, which go on the right hand side. Again, they're just this text and there's a small image that goes. This is your company logo. And finally, we all know the sponsored in-mail on LinkedIn, where you can select a group and specifically target an in-mail to a specific audience. So these are the 4 different kind of content. Let me select sponsored content for this tutorial, and I will cover the other options as well in the subsequent videos. Already have a company or showcase page. If you don't have one, you can create a company page, but there needs to be a page. Let me just enter URL of a company. This is a company that I work for, and the account name is obviously Viren's ad account. Next. Let us give this campaign a name. So let's say I was promoting the Facebook videos that I make, a lot of Facebook marketing videos. So I'll give this campaign name Facebook marketing tutorials, and I'll select a campaign group. This group is what I created. The audience language is English. Now let's click next. What do you want to accomplish with this campaign? Send people to your website, collect leads using LinkedIn lead gen forms, or get video views. I would want to send people to my website, so I'm just going to select that. But these are the other options. Lead gen forms, just like that on Facebook, or you can also get video views. In case you want to increase followers on your company page, you can select this checkbox, and then the ad will also have a follow button for the company page. Click on next. And these are the 3 kind of content that you can promote. There's article, image or link, there's carousel, or there's video. I'm sure you're all familiar with these different kinds of ads if you've done Facebook ads before. Let me select article, image or link and click on next. These are the different posts that this page has already made. I can create new sponsored content, or I could just use any of these. Let me just select something and sponsor this content. Alright, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you are selecting an audience for yourself for this ad. Now, target by the audience below or previously saved template. Obviously, I'm creating an ad for the first time, so I don't have a previously saved template. Location, what location do you want to target? Let me select Mumbai. Let me select a few other metro cities in India. There you go. Target people who permanently live or work in these locations. Okay. Now these are all the specific criterias with which you can target: company name, industry, size, title, job function, seniority, member schools, field of study, degree, member skills, member groups, gender, age, years of experience, company followers and company connections. Now let me try and break this down. I have videos that I've created for Facebook marketing. Now these, let's say that someone who's in college or who's graduated from colleges, has a couple of years of experience in trying to learn new things, would probably be interested in my videos. But the job function by and large would be marketing. So that is what I've selected. Job seniority will be entry level, or maybe small business owners, unpaid. Sure. Member age, and I'd say 25 to 34 is fine. Years of experience, I would want up to 2 years of experience. Sure. Now, as you keep adding these filters, what you will see here is your estimated target audience. That's 3,000 plus members on LinkedIn, and all the details of everything that you've selected so far is here. Enable the LinkedIn audience network. This is just like the Google audience network or the Facebook audience network, where there are other sites that partner up with LinkedIn and LinkedIn shows ads on those sites, and your ads is going to show up there as well. Enable audience expansion. What this means is that if LinkedIn finds it suitable to show your ad to some other people based on the interest that you've selected, they might as well go ahead and do that. I could have selected field of study as well. It could be marketing, it could be an MBA, I could go to job title. If you have a product that is targeted to a certain industry, this company industry filter is really great. If you want to target people who work at specific companies, then company name is great. So these are really amazing filters, and you do not get the option of precisely targeting people with these filters a lot of times on other ad platforms. So once this is done, you can either save as draft or just click next. You can install an insight tag. All this will be is a piece of code that you can put on your website so that LinkedIn can track every time it sends someone to your website. There's a daily budget here. You can select whether you want an automated bid or a CPC that you will select. The maximum CPC here recommended is about 156. Other similar advertisers are bidding between 142 and 214. So as you notice, this is very high compared to a lot of other ad platforms like Facebook or Google. But what you also have to remember that this is very targeted. It's extremely targeted. I leave this at automated bid. You can select an end date, a total budget for your campaign. Ad rotation means if you have multiple ads in a campaign, it'll optimize for performance, or it will just allow all the ads to be shown evenly. So obviously you'd optimize for performance, but in this particular ad it doesn't make any sense because I have selected just one ad. If I have multiple ad, that is where ad rotation would make sense. Anyway, this looks good to me. I'm going to click on next. Ready to launch a campaign. All you need to do is fill in your credit card details and you are good to go. Once you're done adding your credit card, just click on launch campaign, and that's all there is. There you are. You're back to the campaign manager. Now you can look at your ad. You can go to the campaign, look at campaign level statistics, the amount you've spent, impression clicks, click through rate, the bid that you're currently running at, average CPM, CPC, the conversions. For conversion tracking, right now it'll be just clicks, but you can also add the conversion tags to your website. If you're running lead generation ads, then leads and cost per lead also make sense for you.
And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something new and add value to you. If I did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more marketing content. If you're looking to have a one-on-one session with me, the best way to reach me is through Instagram. The link is right here. Thank you.